took a lot of setup and hours of work, but guess what? It takes less than a minute. Here's how. 1. First, go to the Play Store and search for Music Bouncer Ball. 2. Scroll to find the app, then install it, then open it. 3. Answer some questions and allow permissions. 4. Choose any track. I tried the Doraemon theme and Jingle Bells, and it turned out great. 5. The game automatically records for you. Just turn on the recording and let it run. It even adds text like names automatically. For example, it added Ankit in my video. 6. Follow the steps and you're done in under a minute. Creating videos with this app is super easy and fast. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, smash that like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more cool hacks and tips. And hey, if you have any questions or need help, drop a comment below.